But did you understand now the last portion of this PAC 004? Okay. So yes or no? At least it was better than earlier. Now you are know what is PAC 004, what is its function, how return payment has been sent. Okay. So this is important now. Now you have to move. The next one is the reporting part. CAMT 52, 53, 54. These are the three messages which we are going to study for reporting purpose. Okay. Now we start with first message is called CAMT 52 bank to customer record. Bank to customer account report. Bank to customer account report. First message. So what is, give me 1 minute. Okay. In this message, um, last chain of the payment, that is creditor agent or instructing agent, okay, he will send report to the person who is the creditor here. So that is called bank to customer account report, CAMT 52. So this is our message. What it is look like? Again, group header and a report inside that. So what it is written is bank to customer account report message is sent by the account services to the account owner or the party authorized by the account owner to receive the message. It can be used to inform account owner or authorized party entries reported, account intraday statement or account balance report. Okay, means it is like credit and debit transaction happen or any 2 hours 3 hours intraday statement as per requested, or account balance report, or both for a given point. So this can be generated by the last bank in the chain. So what is last bank in the chain? Did we saw that earlier? CAMT 52. Okay, anyway, I forgot. They showed example in there as well. Here, can you see here? Only take into consideration now only CAMT 52 this one. I am going to tell you about this one as well. So this is CAMT 52. Report has been sent in the last chain, okay, to the account owner. This is CAMT 52. Okay. The bank to a customer account report message is sent by the account services to the account owner. Account services to the account owner or party authorized by the account owner to receive the messages. It can be used to inform account owner or authorized party of entries reported to the account intraday statement, account balance information, and account balance report for a given particular time. The bank to customer, see the meaning is very important here. Bank to customer account report is restricted to a single account statement per interact message is 1000 byte, means 10 100 bit means 100 MB, right? 100 MB message, not above that. The message must be bilateral agreed between the account servicing institution and the account owner. There should be a agreement between that they are sending the payment, then only it will be sent. Okay, and established by RMA business profile. So till now it clear. It is between two parties to send message. It contain intraday report and balance report both. Okay, same thing is mentioned in that. And this is customer account report. Bank to bank to customer account report. Bank is sending to customer account report. High level customer account report statement, it is look like as below. So before moving to the above diagram, I would like to read the message first. Role of a creditor agent and creditor agent in the creditor means last one. C and the after that. The role of a creditor agent and creditor in the payment changes by description in the bank to the customer account report message to account services account owner, where the report is sent by the account services to the account owner and authorized party. The message is used to inform the account owner authorized party of the entries reported to the account and or provide the account with balance information on the account at given point. Okay, first one is the accounts and second one is the balance information at particular time. So that is first is entries reported on the account intraday statement and account balance information. So that's why it is mentioned here 2 points. This is your statement and this is balance available with this C. It is sending to B. From B it is sending to A. Okay, there are many use cases and how this is derived CAMT.052 on the balance side. We will see in the coming session what are the use cases. But at nutshell, this has two, account statement and balance information. So I believe they have mentioned this is as a statement and here it is statement and balance information together. So what is exactly they want to mean here, we'll see in coming slides. First of all, like group header common for everyone, message ID is common always, time, name, postal address, okay, which is always the same one. And one more thing is that copy or duplicate indicator here. Let me see if I have any handy message. CAMT.052. Yes, I think yeah, CAMT.052 I have. Bank to customer account report. First of all is message recipient. Where is this field message recipient? No. Copy duplicate indicator. Yeah, it's here. Copy. Yeah, yeah, this is copy duplicate and oh, it is also there. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Message recipient here. Message receipt. Oh, the spelling they don't have spaces here. I forgot. So under message recipient there is copy duplicate indicator. So bank to message recipient nested element provides the details of the party authorized by the account owner to receive the account report. The element should only be used to identify the message recipient, who is the recipient, when different from the account owner. If account owner is different, then only mention, which is implied by the usage of copy in the copy indicator column within the nested statement. So message recipient is mentioned in this with this name, address, contact details by this one. Okay, and what is the significance of this copy indicator? Let me see. What is this? Indicator whether the document is copy or duplicate. Okay, one more thing. Now this is the whether this document has initiated first time, it is a duplicate time, or it is a duplicate. So see, normally when you go into your school, right, the TC is issue only once, transfer certificate, 10th or 12th. Okay, when you try to get it on second time, they have mentioned as a duplicate on that, right? So it's no more valid. You cannot take admission on basis of that TC. The same concept here. So either you received first time, second time, or duplicate. So that is mentioned in your copy indicator. That is only function of this one, copy indicator. I also not used this copy indicator before. In 52. But yeah, I learned today. Copy duplicate indicator. So original business query. Okay, what is the original business query? That's also mentioned is why we are initiating this payment. Listen, to bank customer report element query to generate example CAMT66 account report query. This is something which is not related because it is related to CAMT60. What is original business query? I have to copy only. Okay, under group header only it is there. Under group header, original business query. What is significant? Okay. Yeah. It's contain the all information. Message ID, message name ID, creation date and time. Okay. Original business query. When okay, now I got it. CAMT60 it is sent. CAMT60 is sent by I think the owner, the account name person to send me the report CAMT52, and to respond to this. Okay, to respond to this CAMT52 is sent. So this is the original query. So this is the query, this is the report they sent. In that this is the report happened, and to respond to this you have to reply with CAMT52. Okay, but don't worry on this part. Only if you understand CAMT52 how it's work, that is sufficient for you now. Don't involve in all this stuffs. This guide is very much in detail. You will also forgot basic as well if you go in so much detail of this one. Okay, and even in my career of 19 years I never saw this message CAMT60. I never work on this message. Okay, so till the time only be happy on the CAMT52 only. This is you generated query respond to CAMT60. Okay, and these are the values of this one. Bank to customer additional information. Yeah, this may be important. What are the additional information we are sending? In accordance with the usage in the CAMT50, the element could be used to describe additional information distinguished between CAMT52, where the report is only reporting intraday balance intraday entries in both. Unlike the CAMT53, there is no recommended administration present in a usage. Additional information element. No, element is not required. Hmm. This is the field. Additional information with. Okay, what is this field contain? Additional information is the plain text. Okay, you can enter plain text. Minimum maximum length 500. Okay, there is no special thing is mentioned. What is the addition? Is a plain text inside that one. You can mention the text query. Okay, that is additional information. Bank to customer account statement additional information element represent further details related to account statement. Why do you require? What is the information required for that? You can put down in a simple plain text here. Okay, so mention here additional information is a textual element restricted to 500 characters. Okay, here also same 500. So your both things are matching together by this. Now come to the important part. What is the report contain? CAMT52. The bank to customer account report element provides information related to account. most typically associated with the intraday account entries and accounting balance. Intraday accounting entries throughout the day, what entries have happened, and accounting balance also an entry. Where entries have been proceed on the account. The report element can be used to advise entries reported to the account intraday, account balance information, account balance report together. Okay, so it contains intraday report and balance together. That's simple. They are saying in account report of CAMT.052. The report element has been restricted to one account report. The report addition in accounts owner. Okay, so report and group header. Report additionally accounts to the account owner. This would need occur separate messages in a similar way of legacy, not yet required. It should be noted the account report message is modeled identically to the account statement. CAMT.053 is the account statement. Okay, CAMT.053 account statement. What it mentioned, account report message is modeled identical to the account statement. So it is identical to account statement of 53. Though we are studying 52 customer account report, but it is also identical to CAMT.053 as well. They're mentioning. Therefore, where used as an intraday transaction report, the content can be captured identical to the statement at those close business day in account statement. So we can use CAMT.053 also. Indirectly they are saying. So CAMT.053 and 52 having the same data. Okay, to the statement. Therefore, where used as an intraday transaction report, the content can be captured identical to the statement at the close of the business day in account statement. So it can be used in CAMT.053 also same data as per their mentioning here. Okay, in the report section. Oh my God. Here is the report. So this data now we are going to see the report message. What are the things are taken care in report? Okay, if report has been sent multiple times, you can see three data there. Okay, as you see, similar to the legacy MT intraday reporting message 942 CAMT 52 bank to customer account report is considered in CBPR. Fin plus service messages size considered therefore need to be given. Okay, simple. It can be sent multiple report also in a single way. Simple. Page number one report. Okay, it contains report pagination. Report pagination 1, 2, 3. Multiple reports can report can be sent in number of pages with the same legacy number will change here. Legacy number is same. Sequence number is changing. Sequence number also same. Everything is same. Only the if there are the report contain more pages, it will be on page number 1, 2, and 3 with the same data. Okay, and at the end of the balance, can you see it here? At the end, balance is always there, which is always here, but we have one more term is there, interim available balance. So by the time how much balance is available, it will be on the last page. Interim available balance it can is mentioned. These things are not meant to be keep in remember, okay, for your payment cycle, but at least we are aware that now CAMT.052 contain interim bank report, intraday reports, and it contain balance report as well. Okay, so these things keep in mind apart from other thing. So it contain report pagination, legacy sequence number, electronic sequence number, account identification. Okay, these things. Oh, what happened? Who left? Oh, sorry. uh, okay, so report sent over multiple messages. Okay, that's why. It contain legacy sequence number, last report identifying when no further statement for a given period are expected. Okay, when last, this is the last report, this is the last report, when not further statement, and type as mentioned at ITAV, where balance information also is report. Okay, so this is a 3-page report. This is not important, but at least we have referred this one, so at least we should know that you have to read this also. Okay, CAMT.052. Next one is the bank to customer account report. Okay, um, now next one is similar, like we are going to discuss about IDs. Inside that IDs, okay, so report pagination, like your field 20 report pagination number, whether first page number or last page indicator, that's there. Okay, then electronic sequence number. Okay, these are just a field. So here in this report, if you just mention we are work on group header and report, okay, and inside that, if you don't remember this all these things, fine, okay, but at least some basic field we should remember, that copied duplicate indicator, that we have seen account general terms, right, which we are using packset. If you can explain that also, ID, but don't say IBAN or something here, it's not there IBAN or, okay, name, address, that thing we can mention here, but not the other thing like balances, because there are so many fields here to remember, and any date you can remember, that value date, currency date, okay, these things, because this data contain lots of information is there, and see bearer is also there, and you cannot remember all these things when you want to explain it, okay, to anyone. So only keep in mind very very small things, which is balances, interest, message ID, copy duplicator, message pagination, like this. So I will also recommend you to just learn small thing, electronic sequence number, reporting pagination, this one, legacy sequence number. If you remember, fine, otherwise don't remember also, otherwise you forgot the main sequence message also by remembering this. Then your date, creation date and time, other data account report, report and time, copy duplicate indicator, we saw it sometime before, copy duplicate and code, these are the three codes are there. Then reporting sequence, reporting source, from which account, debtor account, that can also mention, ID, currency, okay, like IBAN, okay, it's there in identification, IBAN or other. So this thing also you can mention if you remember. Okay, inside this one, what are the content of that, and account content, name, proxy, owner, services. Okay, I'm not taking too much time on this to explain, because these things are very hard to understand, like backset message, this is very very hard to understand, but at least you know group header and report, and set that copy duplicate indicator, date and time, these fields if you are able to explain, well and good. Okay, there is overnight concept is also here, balances, okay, and balance type, so which balance is there, that also if you remember, fine. Let me open, let me see here, balance type field. Oh, it's directly jumping here only, we don't have field balance type. Balance type scores are not here. They ask us to refer to the external website of ISO 20022. What other different balance code are there? Okay, so that's why it is there. These codes are not here in that. So these are a different codes which is used for the account balance type code. Codes are used within the nested balance element to represent the type of balance being reported. It comparison of legacy MT941 utilize. Okay, so and it will give the comparison of which field they have mentioned. Field 54, 52. So those are the balance type code. I also see that not feel into too much detail, but at least you have one field called balance type there. Is sufficient for you to know. Okay, then next is the balances credit line. Okay, this also and transaction summary, total code, debit entries. It will be there on CAMT.052. Okay, then a report entry. So these are the part of report entry. Okay, value date, book date is mentioned. Empty in time, number of dedicated elements, capture variety of this. So this is mentioned in what are the charges, availability. Those contained in your 52 customer account report entry. Those are the things mentioned. Entry amount, credit, debit, again the same thing here. Report entry, again same thing. Bank transaction code, domain, family, subfamily. Bank transaction was designed to deliver harmonized set of codes where should be applied in the bank to customer cash account information. The bank transaction code information allows account services to correctly report transaction, which is turn help account owner, domain, family or subfamily. Okay, so it is mentioned domain, family, subfamily, bank customer account report. Okay, bank transaction code is a mandatory field here. Bank transaction code, bank to customer account report, entry, continue, bank transaction code. So this I give to you, at least you take the reference of this while reading. Bank transaction code. Set of elements used to fully identify type of underlying transaction resulting in an entry impacted. Domain property rule or C12 family rule. So what are the domain property rule? And if it is not present, then what error should be the receipt rule. So what is in the domain code? External web transaction code. Okay, it is mentioned here in ISO 20022 guideline, which is mentioned here. In domain is there, higher definition level of identify sub elements, family, medium definition, sub family. Okay, leave this part. Okay, only identify that there may be a bank transaction code inside that. What is the domain, family, and sub family of that? Okay, so this thing only you can keep in mind. What is the content of it? Code description, received by credit transfer, families. What are the codes are here, right? So that's all mentioned here. Cross-border standing order. These are the codes which may have received. Leave it that part. Sub-family again is not important. Entry continued. Commission waive additional charges. Not required to be in. Entry continue. Account report. Interest card transaction. No. Account report. Number of transactions here. Number of transaction is mentioned here. What are that is mentioned in that one. Entry details. Entry. This is here. Then bank to customer account report. Transaction details. Okay. Reference UATR. Entry level. Those are things are also part of it. Just give me 1 second, okay? Okay, we can continue now. Transaction details has variety of next element, closet entry level, element reference, UATR, depending on the transaction charges. Okay, then parties related to instructing party. So these contain lots of information that report. Oh, debitor account, ultimate debitor, creditor, right? Those contain all our whatever we have learned till now. All should be there inside this one. Instructing HR, instructed data, data agent, ultimate agent, everything under the entry details. Okay. Wow. Even the tax also here. Local instrument purpose, tax related thing. Wow. So many things. Very hard to remember now everything. Um, and this is the one normal transaction, normal flow. Debit initiative a payment instruction to the debtor account. Debtor A initiate that the same flow happening from B to C, C to D, but at the D, this is important. Number six, creditor agent as the account servicing product sends the balance report to either the account owner or the authorized third party. Okay, so it is sending this report to the account owner or third party. That's simple. At the end, number six. Okay, so this is one of the use case. Mm, there are so many use cases, but we will refer only one for understanding of. Okay, CAMT.052. What is 53? The bank customer account statement is restricted to a single bank to customer statement message sent by account owner authorized. It is used to inform account owner and third party book to the account and to provide owner balance information account to given account. Almost same concept here as well. Account 53, but we will stop it for today.